In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Dell laptop is not detecting the external monitor or TV. So to fix this, right click anywhere on your desktop and then select display settings. Now in the settings app, scroll down and expand multiple displays. Now here you will need to click on this detect button right here. If it says we didn't find another display, what you can do is press Windows plus P on your keyboard. So this will open this project menu right here. Now here you can select duplicate, extend or second screen only option depending on how you want to set up the external display. So try selecting each of these options one by one to see what they do and see if that fixes the problem. However, if this doesn't work, what you can do is reset the graphics driver. So for this you will need to press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B together on your keyboard. Once you do, your screen will flash and hopefully the external monitor will be detected. However, if you still experience problems, right click on the start icon and then select Device Manager from the list. In the Device Manager window, you will first need to expand Display Adapters. Now here you should see your graphics driver. What you have to do is right click on it and then select Disable Device. Then right click on it again and then select Enable Device. After that, expand Monitors on the same list. Now find your external monitor right here. Right click on it and then disable and re-enable it as well. However, if you still experience problems, what you can do is right click on the monitor driver and uninstall it. Now click uninstall again to confirm. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your laptop and see if the issue is resolved. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply update the graphics driver. So if you are using Nvidia for instance, make sure there are no pending updates available. If there are, make sure to download them right here. Once you have done this, open the settings app and go to the Windows Update section. Now here, scroll down and click on Advanced Options. Now in here, click on Optional Updates. Now expand Driver Updates and then install all of these from here. So simply select them and then install them. However, if nothing else works, there may be an issue with the HDMI cable that you are using. Try replacing it with a different cable and this time try using a different HDMI port on your laptop and see if that fixes the problem. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.